Hello everyone, we are from BPS Convent School. I am Jyoti.
And I am Mohita. We have came up with a very interesting project, and our project name is Pran Vayu Srijanti, which means one which releases oxygen.
So, what is this? It is a green algae. We all think that it is of no use. But friends, really it is of great use. We are going to make our project Pranvayu Srajanti from the use of green algae only. We will use the CO2 and water and algae, and we will give out the oxygen by the consuming of the CO2. And how our project is different from everyone, because all use try to capture the CO2, but we are trying to capture the CO2 and want to release the oxygen from that.
So, as a report, average household produces about 7.2 tons of the carbon dioxide every year. So, we came up with this project. So, how it will work? So, basically, it will consist of this box, which will consist of the pores at the bottom. So when the CO2 will come out of the chimney, it will get into the box through these pores, and then through the air pump it will get into the box, which consists of algae and water. So by the process of photosynthesis, algae will use carbon dioxide, water and the sunlight, and it will convert the CO2 into the oxygen, which will release into the atmosphere.
So friends, on what principle our project is going to work? It will work on the principle of photosynthesis. We will place our algae in the water, and it will take the carbon dioxide which will be came out from the chimneys of the household. It will take sunlight during the day from the sun, and it will produce the oxygen. But how it will work during the night?
So basically, it will consist of a solar plate which will convert the heat energy to the electricity, and this electricity will be used to light the LEDs which are embedded into the algae and water one box. So at night, it will use the artificial light for the photosynthesis and will produce the oxygen.
Friends, what are the another advantage of our project is that it is working without the soil. 71% of the oxygen will be produced by the algae. And the one most important thing is that algae produce oxygen more efficient than the 400 trees. It's a great amount.
So what if we get selected into the ATL Marathon Top 100? So we will make our project more advanced so that it can be used in the chimneys of factories and all. And there the carbon dioxide level is so high, so it can reduce the global warming and can also cause a lot to the environment. Thank you.